Welcome to today's tech episode. In this video, I'm going to show you about how you can deactivate your Instagram account. So make sure that you watch this video to the end as I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. And when you click on this place, you can see that I'm just going to click here again. You can see this my home feed, my Instagram home feed. You can see. Then this is it. You can see. Then I'm going to click my profile here. Then I'm going to click on the menu icon, can see. I'm going to click on settings. Just follow the method that I'm going to use in this video and click on account center, you can see. Then you're just going to click on personal details. You can see after you click on that, you can see now account ownership and control. Account ownership and control, you can see deactivation or deletion. You can see that there are two options here. To select one that you want to maybe you want to deactivate or you want to delete, then you are just going to click on the one. You can see deactivation or deletion. Instagram, this is our Instagram account, you can see. Then you can see deactivate, delete. You can see just select the one that you want to maybe deactivate or delete. Then you are going to tick on this deactivate account. You can see now. Then you are just going to click your password here. Your password. You are just going to type your password here. You are going to click on continue again. You can see now. Then you are going to save it. You can see deactivating your Instagram account. Just you have to read this. Deactivating your Instagram account is temporary, and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center or by logging into your Instagram account. Then you can see that something else, trouble getting started, too many ad, privacy control, but I will suggest that you should go for privacy concerns. So this is what I usually recommend for people that want to deactivate their accounts. So I'm just going to click on that. Then I'm going to click on continue. You can see privacy on Instagram. You can see I want to block a user. I want a private account, but it just maybe why they suggested this account for you, maybe you mistakenly want to deactivate it. So they will just tell you maybe this is the right thing for you to do instead of deactivating your Instagram account. So you are just going to click on continue again. You can see here confirm temporary account deactivation. Then you can see you are about to temporarily deactivate your account. You can reactivate your account at any time. Just make sure that you read all these things before you go ahead, so that you can know what it means for you to deactivate your Instagram account. You can see then you are just going to click on this again, deactivate accounts. By this, you can see they have logged us out automatically. So by this, you have deactivated your Instagram account. This is the method that you can use to deactivate your Instagram account. And if you want to know how you can create your Instagram account or how you can use Instagram for beginners, that is complete tutorial. So that's video. Click on that, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace. Make sure that you subscribe to H-QTV. That is Sami Awoyemi high quality tech video. I'm going to see you in my others video.